Hey, what's going on, homies? Welcome back with another Grand Theft Auto San Andreas mod video. So in today's video, as well as car video, I have brought you guys an amazing beast 2017 Ford Raptor 2-door pickup truck, and believe it or not, this is really a fantastic car, guys. The author of this car is the GTA San Andreas mobile version mods, also known as GTA SA MVM, and he posted this car with the textures, but I have converted into the DFF only. And let me show you guys something. On the left side of the screen, as you guys can see that, this is the look before I have converted into the DFF only, and on the right side of the screen, this is the result of conversion to DFF. So I hope you guys saw differences between them. Well, let's go to the cinematic review. So keep watching this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. And if you do enjoy, do not ever forget to thumbs up this video. So let's just go.